Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix notification sound not working on iPhone after update iOS 17. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Method 1. Turn on allow notification. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, tap on notification. On the notification page, scroll down, tap on Facebook app, turn on allow notification. Method number 2. Turn on and off do not disturb mode. Open the control center on your iPhone, tap on focus, turn on do not disturb mode. Then wait for few seconds and turn off back. Method number 3. Check for software update. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on general. On the general page, tap software update. Software update is available. Tap download and install to upgrade the iOS. Method number 4. Reboot your iPhone. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on general. On the general page, scroll down, tap shutdown. Now slide to power off and turn off your device. Then wait for few seconds and turn on back. Enter your phone passcode. Thanks for watching this video.